Good morning, my free folk of America. Oh, slow start again, man. It's these dark mornings, they get me. But I got a cup of coffee. I'm comfortable. It's quiet. Move the ducks out to the pen. Now I just have to keep my eyes out for the fox and the raccoons. Critter's gonna get blasted. All right, so here's a daily, and we left this reversal doji. We'll look for a break of the low today. That's where we're taking our action. I think I'm going to sit on my hands. I've seen a lot of chop. But a break of that low would be the money maker. So we'll see what's going on. We'll look at it. It's a big risk trade, though, because when you take the break of that low, you put your high there. We broke this trend line on the head and shoulders, and we hit our target. We knew our target was 900. We hit that target. So now we could see a retrace, and I'm kind of feeling that the retrace will come back to the trend line. So I'm thinking we're pulling back about a honey's 100 points. Maybe not today, but I think we're sliding back 100 points. Might be today. We got mixed markets at the open, so we have no idea really what the market is thinking. And that's the ES chart, right? Let's take a look. The 30s really trending nowhere. And we've gone nowhere in the past 2 days. Yeah, we made the move on the 25th. And then settled back in around here. So it just looks like a choppy market. It's just been a real choppy market. It's been a pain in the ass to trade. Lots of trades, a little bit of money. So we'll just let it do what it's got to do. BTC, let me guess. Oh, it's breaking out of that channel. Watch for a head and shoulders. A little pullback today. Broke out of the channel. It could have traded an entry at 19,850. But look for a head for a flag, a bull flag right here, and away it goes. Did I say head and shoulders? I meant bull flag. So that's it. Keep an eye on that. CL. I'm feeling bullish. See if it revisits that trend line. You got an inverted in here. Well, sort of an inverted. If it breaks that, it should make a little bit of a move. You got 76 to 92. Wow, that's a pretty good move. Got 16 points. Wow, 106 maybe. Which will revisit these highs. I was really expecting oil to peter out here, but I guess it's still got to break that trend line. If it does, we're looking at a possible 106 price. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I keep yawning. But it might reject off of that line. But if it breaks that line, look for about 106. Gold, I'm enthused. Nice double bottom right here. I think it's going to peter out for a little while. Nat gas. Net gas, I'm kind of bullish. Expected to close that gap. Historically, it just always goes back and closes the gap, usually within the week that it opened it. So we're behind the curve. But yeah, expect it to go back to and close that gap. Bonds. They're trending down. Little bounce here. momentum. Oh, you could see a divergence. There's bullish divergence. I mean, it would really have to trigger this to trigger it. But it looks like it's losing steam. Aggressive move down, so I would expect a bounce. It's not going to bounce too quickly. There's a lot of momentum pushing it down. It's going to take a little while to come back up. But, yeah, 129 looks like a good number on it. Although today may not be the day. I mean, on the shorter term charts, it's looking very bearish. Not so much on the 220s. You can see the trend reversal right here. Here's the trigger, and away it went. Bonds were always fun to trade. I used to really like to trade bonds. Might look at it again. Gasoline. It's a shame how it creeped back up. But that's an interesting, I mean, you could argue a flag, but that's not how I like to see a retrace. I mean, really, I would look for a break of that low, see if it comes back down. But the momentum is fairly consistent with the price action. Not a lot telling me it's going to come down, but I might watch that break there. So that's it, man. That's it. That's all we're looking at. I'm going to mess with the charts a little bit. So I'll take my leave. I'll see you guys. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Check out my TikTok. Join me at 9 a.m. to live trade and chat.